Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the lysosome, which is a cellular waste disposal system, and we will try to understand their role, structure, and significance. Now, the introduction to lysosome. These three are the key features of introduction which we will discuss in detail. It is mainly found in eukaryotic cells, act as the cell's waste disposal system and recycling waste, contain hydrolytic enzymes. So first we will little bit try to know the structure of the lysosome and the cell. This is the structure of the cell. Inside the cells, these are the many more organelles which are different in function and different in names. So these green dotted structure is scattered inside the cell known as lysosome, which are secreted by the Golgi apparatus. So this is the structure of lysosome, and these are the key points of found in eukaryotic cells. So we will discuss in detail the introduction to lysosome. Lysosome are specialized organelles found in eukaryotic cells, primarily in animal cells. They function as the cell's waste disposal system containing digestive enzymes that break down unwanted materials, cellular debris, and harmful invaders. These enzymes, known as hydrolytic enzymes, help lysosome digest proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, and even damaged organelles. Without lysosomes, cell would accumulate toxic waste, leading to malfunction and eventual cell death. Lysosomes are essential for maintaining cellular health and efficiency. By breaking down and recycling macromolecules, they ensure that the cell has a constant supply of raw material for growth and repair. Additionally, lysosomes play an important role in defending the cell against bacteria, viruses, and other harmful agents by digesting them before they can cause damage. These are the harmful agents because they are outside material for the body. Now this is the structure of lysosome. So this is the structure of lysosome. Among this, many types of component are present. These are the proteins, and the hollow space is similar, known as lumen. Lumen means a hollow space without containing any specific one material. All is similar. And this is the membrane, which also an important function in itself. And these are the digestive enzymes, means hydrolytic enzymes. This is the combination of enzyme substrate complex. There is a reaction between the enzyme and the substrate. Combinedly, it is known as ESC, where a substrate is bind with an enzyme, so it becomes a complex and the reaction is going on. So we will know the lipid bilayer membrane, hydrolytic enzymes, transport protein. First, membrane. This is membrane and it is made up of lipid bilayer. It protects the cell from enzymes. In which way? So lysosomes are spherical membrane bound organelle that house digestive enzymes for breaking down cellular waste and debris. This membrane is essential because it prevents these enzymes from digesting the entire cell. The structure of lysosome includes lipid bilayer membrane. So, how it works? The membrane surrounding the lysosome encloses its content and safeguard the rest of the cell from its digestive enzymes, and it regulates the movement of molecules in and out. This is done by membrane. Now next is the hydrolytic enzymes. These are specialized enzymes capable of breaking down proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acid. Lysosomal enzymes function optimally in an acidic environment, and their pH is from 4.5 to 5.0, which is maintained by proton pumps embedded in the lysosomal membrane. Third is the transport proteins. It helps in the movement of digested molecules back into the cytoplasm for reuse. So the lysosome function as the recycling centers of the cell, ensuring that no resources are wasted. For example, when a damaged mitochondrion is no longer function correctly, lysosome break it down through a process called autophagy, recycling its components for the new cell parts. Now, the functions of the lysosomes. There are so many types of functions done by the lysosome, but main function is it digests unwanted material and cellular debris. This is the major one function. And next, recycling components for cell repair and growth. Next, defend against harmful agents and in which bacteria and viruses are involved. Now, the key processes of lysosome. A key function of lysosome is cellular digestion. Key processes cellular digestion, which involves the following process: breaking down the macromolecules. How breaking down the molecules into simpler ones? So, lysosome digests large molecules like proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates into smaller units that can be reused. Next is the autophagy. In this, recycling cellular components, the process where lysosome engulf and digest damaged or old organelles, ensuring that they do not accumulate and cause harm. For instance, in liver cells, lysosome regularly break down old mitochondria and recycle their components for new one. Next is the waste elimination. In waste elimination, lysosome help remove toxic substances and cellular debris to maintain a clean environment inside the cell. Example is in nerve cells, lysosome clear out damaged proteins to prevent diseases like Alzheimer's. Defending against pathogen, lysosome help white blood cells like macrophages and neutrophils digest bacteria and viruses. For example, when a bacterium like Salmonella enters a body, immune cells use lysosome to break it down and destroy it. These functions are important for the survival of the cell. By extension, the entire organism. Without lysosome, waste would accumulate, leading to cellular dysfunction and diseases. Now, the lysosomes in various organisms. Lysosome in various organisms. So, in animals, in plants, and in protozoa. Lysosomes are found in all animal cells, but their function vary depending on the type of the organisms. In humans and animals, it play a key role in digestion, immune system, and cell maintenance. Example is in liver cells, lysosome break down toxin and harmful substances from food and drugs. In plants and fungi, these act done by vacuoles. Plant lack lysosomes. Instead, that vacuoles are present to carry out similar functions such as breaking down waste and storing important substances. Example is central vacuole in plants help break down waste material and store nutrients. In single-celled organism, those are protozoans and protozoa like amoeba use lysosome to digest food. Example is an amoeba engulf food through phagocytosis. phagocytosis, and lysosome help break it down for energy. These variations show how lysosome or similar organelles are essential across different life forms. Next is the lysosome malfunctions and diseases. So the lysosomal malfunction and diseases occurs when the normal functioning of lysosome is disturbed. So these type of diseases can be occurred. These type of diseases can be caused Tay-Sachs, Pompe disease, Gaucher disease, linked to Alzheimer's and Parkinson disease. So we will know how it occurs. When lysosomes fail to function properly, it can lead to severe genetic and metabolic disorders. Some well-known lysosomal storage diseases includes Tay-Sachs disease. It is a genetic disorder caused by deficiency of the enzyme hexosaminidase A. So in this there is a deficiency of an enzyme which is hexosaminidase A in lysosome. This results in buildup of fatty substances within nerve cells leading to brain damage and premature death. Next is Pompe disease. It is caused by deficiency in acid alpha glucosidase, preventing glycogen breakdown in lysosome, lead to muscle weakness and organ damage due to glycogen accumulation. Next is the Gaucher disease. It occurs due to the lack of enzyme glucocerebrosidase, which help break down fatty substances. It leads to enlargement of liver and spleen, bone pain, and neurological complications. Next is the Alzheimer's and Parkinson disease. It is linked to lysosomal dysfunction, leading to building up of toxin protein aggregate in brain cells. These diseases highlight the critical role of lysosome in maintaining cellular health. Scientists are researching gene therapy and enzyme replacement treatment to help restore lysosomal function in affected individuals. Now, the role of lysosome in aging and longevity. So, the role in aging and longevity. Aging reduces lysosomal efficiency, leads to waste buildup, disease occurs, and disease risk also occurs. Fasting and exercise can boost lysosomal activity. We will discuss these of three. Lysosome play a crucial role in regulating aging and promoting cellular longevity. As organism age, lysosome function declines, leading to accumulation of waste material in cells, reduced ability to recycle damaged proteins and organelles. Impaired lysosome function is linked to an increased risk of age-related diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson. Researchers suggest that the enhancing lysosomal function through diet, fasting, and exercise can help slow aging. Intermittent fasting has been shown to active autophagy, allowing lysosomes to clean out old and damaged materials more efficiently. Scientists are also exploring diets that boost lysosomal activity to improve lifespan and health. Mainly focus over this one, fasting and exercise can boost the lysosomal activity. Now the lysosomes in field of medicine and biotechnology. So lysosomes are being studied in biotechnology and medicine for various applications. First is the drug delivery system targeting lysosome, gene therapy for lysosomal diseases, enzyme replacement theory. First is drug delivery system. In this, scientists are designing nanoparticles that target lysosome, helping deliver drug directly inside the cells. For instance, cancer drug can be delivered to tumor cell directly using lysosomal targeting, improving treatment efficiency. Gene therapy for lysosomal diseases. In this, researchers are developing gene editing techniques like CRISPR to correct genetic defect in lysosomal storage diseases. Next is the enzyme replacement therapy, used to treat Gaucher disease, Pompe, and Fabry diseases by providing missing enzyme to affected patients. These advancements highlight the medical significance of lysosome in treating various diseases. Next is the conclusion. Finally, we will conclude that lysosomes are one of the most important organelles in eukaryotic cells, responsible for cellular digestion, waste removal, and immune defense. They prevent harmful waste accumulation, recycle nutrients, and protects the cell from invaders. Without lysosomes, cells would become clogged with toxins, leading to diseases and eventually cell death. From aiding in aging research to treating genetic disorders, lysosomes play a pivotal role in medicine and biotechnology. As scientists continue to explore their function, gaining a deeper understanding of how they influence cell death, longevity, and disease prevention. Their remarkable ability to break down and recycle material. Remarkable ability is break down material and recycle materials. Ensures that cell function efficiently, making them indispensable to life itself. So this is the conclusion about the lysosome. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.